All right, guys, let me show you how to set up a funded account. I'm going to go through the whole process. So as you can see, I already have one. I'm on the leaderboard, but that's a side conversation. So once you sign up, make sure please do not pay full price. Don't do that to yourself, for God's sakes. Do not pay full price. Use a discount, 35% off. Again, I don't know how much it might be off in the future, but just hit sell, one word. So let's do it. I'm going to do it in front of you. I'll buy a new one. It's not a big deal. I already have one, so I'll buy a new one. So once you sign up, you'll see it. Buy the challenge, right? And then this is what you want to focus on. This is key. I believe this is the best one. If you want to take the other route, God bless you, but 0, no challenges, straight funded, clean, 100K, boom. That's what you want to do. And you get to use Tradeovate, which I'll show you later. So once you're there, type in the code, just hit sell, apply. And there you go. $209.65 are taken off. Again, in the future, it might be a different price, maybe 40% off, 25%, I don't know. But as of now, it's 35% off. And then once you click, boom, you click continue to payment. It's going to show my person. We're not going to go there. And then you'll have the prop account. The next thing, once you have it, you will see it will pop up here. Okay, just like I have mine. Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode or lesson, but I just want to let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just want to start it off, Day Trade Professor. Click down below, go in the description and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go. Once you're here, you'll have all this data. What you want to focus on, and I'm going to show you step by step, you will click on credentials. Here is your account username. So you will go on Tradeovate. Okay, this is it right here. You will copy this, and this is the password. This is your account number for funding ticks. But your Tradeovate username is here, and your password is here. You see the copy button? Copy and paste this into Tradeovate. All right, do that, and then I'll show you the next steps. Okay, so now that we're here, we have Tradeovate. By the way, just download Tradeovate desktop. It's the best on the desktop application. So you're going to copy, paste. Again, my stuff is censored, so of course, you can't see it. So you copy and paste here. Again, make sure it's account username, not this one, okay? I know it's a little confusing for some of you. You log in. I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know, you want to get consistent. Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell, consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need, I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description, get them, and go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go. So here we go. Once you log in, you'll have live trading, simulation. Again, this is prop firms. Everything is simulated. Money's real when you cash out, of course. But you click on Access Simulation. Once you access simulation, you're going to see all the chaos there. You can clean that up later. You'll just have to X out everything that you don't want to see and personalize it to you. So what you're going to do is pay attention here. Go to the top right, Application Settings. And now you're going to see all this information. So boom. You're going to go straight to add-ons. Also, you'll have to fill out those forms. When you log in for the first time on Tradeovate, forms will come up. You have to fill that out and just go through that. So the key part here is add-ons, because I know many of you are going to want to link this to TradingView, which is one of the main reasons why I love funding ticks. Everything through my phone, my Z Fold. So what you're going to want to do is activate all these plans. You're going to have to activate this for it to work on TradingView. If you don't do this, it won't work. And then go down, activate everything. Except there's one option about paying monthly. Don't activate that. And that's it. Once you have that ready to go, you're done. You don't have to use Tradeovate to trade. You can go and trade. Let's get out of here. You can trade everything through TradingView. Everything can be done through TradingView. So as you can see, here is my P&L for this right now. I don't know when this video is dropping, but today is August 25th. So today's August 25th. P&L equity curve, average win, average loss. I passed everything needed to pass for this. I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go. And there's my P&L for the day. Again, today's Monday. I've made $1,852.40. Overall, well, this is not accurate. I think the accurate number is here, $17,220, I believe. And this is all the data points. Again, I love this place. This prop firm, absolutely love it. Let me show you again where I am. Last video, I was number 7, and right now I'm number 5. So I'm thinking about cashing out. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But I'm thinking of cashing out, and then I'll be off the leaderboard. But yeah, I started from the bottom. Now we're here. This is the one for 100K. You got 25K, 50K, 100K, which means more contract sizes. In all, this is everybody. Like everybody, not everybody, but you meaning in everything mixed. 25K, 50K, 100K, everybody mixed together. I'm number 9. Even in the full-blown competition of every trader, top 10. Again, maybe the strategy works. Maybe you should learn what I'm doing. Maybe you should pick up one of my books. I don't know. Top 5 here. That feels good, right? Knowing that if you go through these names, I'm the only social media person here. Everyone else is promoting God knows what. But do you ever see them on the leaderboard? I don't know. Maybe you do. But I'm right there. So I hope this video helped. Use the code JustSitSell. Please do not pay full price. Why? Take the $200-something off. And that'll be around. As long as I'm here, as long as I'm doing this, that code will work. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Let me know down below, what else should I make about the prop firm stuff? What else do you want to see? Let me know. I'll see you in class.